Hi, I'm Matt Norman with Florida Native Boat Sales here in Tarpon Springs, Florida. Behind me, I'm excited to present a 2008 Lake & Bay 20 Boca Grande. Just completed a full refit in 2024, including that sharp Mercury 300R racing engine on the back. I'm gonna walk you through each and every aspect of this boat. Come with me, it'll be a fun ride. So first stop here is to pause and take a look at this beautiful black hull side paint job. It's got just a little bit of metal flake in it, and then the FL numbers along with the Lake & Bay insignia are also painted into the hull, not just a decal. The metal flake on that is beautiful. Even the through hulls are black painted and not stainless to just add to the cleanliness of the look. And included in the purchase is this 2008 blacked out Magna-Tilt dual axle trailer that has also been just recently serviced with 2023 tires. So arriving here at everybody's favorite end of the Lake & Bay, the transom. First pointing out, this is a pocket hull, so very sought after. You can get that additional speed. Sitting pretty here is a Mercury 300 Racing, only 48 hours and full factory warranty through September of 27 with Mercury Platinum Warranty through September of 29. Again, only 48 hours. Sitting on a Bob's JackPlate and flanked by twin 8-foot power pole blades to get you perfectly in position when it's time. We also have 2 Lenco trim tabs to give that extra stability and comfort, especially on a fast boat like this. So hopping up here in the boat, lots to unpack, but let's focus on this aft deck. The entire non-skid topside and the whole top was redone by O'Connell Marine. And let's look at what we have here going on in this aft deck. Tons and tons of storage. Center point here, we got bilge access. And again, every pump, every wire was redone. Directly behind it, you have your massive live well that Lake & Bay is known for. And then on all the sides right here is nice, clean, dry storage so you can organize all your gear and separate where you want your stuff on board. All right, so starting to get in here into this one-of-one Lake & Bay refit, this elevated leaning post along with the console. So let's look at the leaning post. Right here, you have full wraparound backrest to really secure you in the boat at speed. And then the functionality is spectacular. We got a tackle system right here, very much as you would expect on a larger center console with a pull-out drawer, 2 cup holders, 5 vertical rod holders to organize your rods, and just a great way and plenty of space to work around this elevated leaning post. And we even left you with a footrest and a perfect area below to put a removable cooler. And even though this is a substantial leaning post, it's designed where you still have a lot of room to walk around and have it not get in your way. As I make my way forward, you can see again, there is so much room to get around here and enter onto the helm seat. Got plenty of JL audio around throughout, nice high backrest. And again, now we can focus in at what we have going on here at the helm. So here, looking at this helm, one, it's a Gausebuilt marine helm pod. So nice custom touch there by the folks at Gauze. We have a Garmin 8610 GPS full touchscreen. Flanking it on both sides are 2 stainless cup holders. Even a little spreader light right in front, which is a sweet little custom touch. An Edson comfort grip, blacked out steering wheel. Your Fusion audio controlling those beautiful JL speakers, the quick blinker style switch for your Bob's JackPlate. Nice little custom touch here, a little starboard bracket for your power pole anchors. Lenco trim tabs right where you need them. And then this Mercury fly-by-wire new style binnacle that's very, very smooth. And dropping down, we have this extra JL speaker for the helmsman, which gives way to a nice custom catch-all space for the captain. And then on either side of that are custom switch panels with push-button style backlit switches. And lastly, under this helm station is yet another place where you could easily stash a removable cooler. So I popped off the boat here to show you guys a little better angle of first the port and starboard rod lockers. This is classic Lake & Bay, and they've been kept and redone beautifully with the carpet on the inside for easy access and convenient protection for your rods. And then this guy right here, this is this custom fiberglass built deck extension that houses the elevated helm and leaning post pods. And this was done very intentionally and thoughtfully by O'Connell Marine. 1, it's going to house your starting and house batteries. 2, it's going to give you excellent spot for more JL speakers and some additional lighting. And then 3, you're going to get a bunch of additional storage in here. So a really, really cool design, and it was beautifully finished out by the folks at O'Connell Marine. A couple things to mention as we move forward from the helm seat. First of all, this excellent frigid rigid cooler seat. It's fully removable. It's custom built for the boat. Has your beautiful piping that matches the rest of the upholstery. And then the backrest that makes it nice and comfortable. The Gauze helm pod's got the Lavorsi LED navigation lights built in, and a Lumitech spreader to light this whole front deck up when it's nighttime. Looking closely at the forward casting deck, my Lake and Bay aficionados will immediately realize that this had the Lake and Bay forward deck extension, but above and beyond, O'Connell Marine finished out that deck extension so you don't see the seams at all, and it all just beautifully integrates into the rest of the boat. So this deck extension is going to give you that additional storage that you can never get enough of on a boat like this. And then we have yet another place to mount some additional JLs and one of your 2 onboard charger outlets, one for your house and then one for the lithium-ion battery that we'll get to in just a sec. So enjoying this extra large casting deck, we got a couple other things to cover here. One, this is a 2008 hull with just a single tank, and the tank was scoped, cleaned, and made sure it was fine. So no need to redo tanks, great tankage. 2, we got the convenient storage for a lithium-ion 36-volt battery, conveniently stored in this hatch right here, along with additional room for other items. And then behind the storage locker is a removable deck chair. So you can use this as a fighting chair, place to take a load off. You can also mount a casting platform here if you wanted to, or take it completely off the boat. So a lot of options here and a very nice clean deck space. So all the way up here in the bow, highlighted by this 2024 power pole move trolling motor, 36-volt system, the one everybody's been talking about. It's dead silent. It's on a removable mount. It's got a nice plug conveniently stowed away in the anchor locker, which does not interfere with the trolling motor and is still fully functional. And then you are flanked on both sides by 2 pull-up cleats. It has been such a pleasure giving you an up-close personal look at this 2008 Lake and Bay 20 Boca Grande, fully restored last year. I'm Matt Norman with Florida Native Boat Sales. We'll see you on the water.